bitch ass nigga. Tired of your pussy ass talking to me. Don't come fucking with me, cause I ain't do
Raza,
shit to you. That nigga hit you. Bro, that's the nigga that hit you, man.
Raza,
Why you fucking with me? Oh my mama. Stupid ass jit.
Server.
Alright, on my mama. I got this shit streamed. Stream took it in your ass, nigga, because I ain't do shit. I'm just standing here, bitch. Yeah.
بمرح الجو.
I'm green taking in your ass. I was just standing here, bitch. Can't fuck with me, pussy. And shut the fuck up, pussy, nigga. You talk when I tell you to talk, bitch. Oh, bro, this nigga on a power trip, ain't it? Who he feeling like today? Who is this nigga feeling like, twin?
I'm certo.
Who you feeling like today, bro? Your ass feeling like you feeling like you He-Man.
كل كاكا بربادة كاكا الراوس الراوس.
Don't worry about it. Your ass feeling, yeah.
ماما.
Yeah, transportation ain't gonna make
رازا
it.
ورا مياه قلت كاكا ورا. رازا ورا مياه قلت كلام كلامه.
You better hold transport and make it here on time, nigga. I got 5 niggas on the way to come blam your bitch ass down, nigga. And yes, I'm making a threat, pussy. Fuck wrong with you? Oh, now you want to stand? Nah, don't stand on the roof, scary ass nigga. Yeah, scary ass nigga. Don't stand on the roof, pussy. Look, now he running. He running. Nah, pussy. Nah, why you running? Why you running, pussy? Why you running, bitch? I told you, yo, ass finna, you finna
رازا
get killed.
ورازا. رازا ورا
You
مياه
not
قلت
you
ورا.
not shooting her through the wall, man. You'll have to kill me, nigga. You not shooting her through the wall. You trash.
Who's
Trying
breathing
to shoot through the
heavily on the
wall and
radio? Are
shit,
you
trash
okay?
ass nigga.
You're okay. Just
You
breathe.
trash as hell.
Just
You had to
breathe.
shoot through the wall, man. Your ass shitty. You suck, nigga. Take me out
And I
these.
got that shit on
Take,
screen
take,
recording.
take
Fuck
me.
a shooter twin.
Nah, take me out these cussing 1v1 me, man. Your ass is trash. Your ass trash, man. Take me out
رازا.
these cussing 1v1
That
me,
bitch
pussy.
ass nigga ain't wanna arrest me.
Take me out these cussing.
Is
And
someone
you got a
going to go
level
pick
5
up
AK. That
Sugar
shit
Twin?
trash. You a bitch. Hey, bro, I'm finna log out, bro. I ain't finna stand right here all day waiting for transport, bro. I don't know who the fuck you taking your ass, bro. Oh, God, but I ain't no bitch, bro. I'm finna log out, bro. Man, nigga, fuck you and your green ticket, boy. You getting a green ticket, too. You can't just hold me right here all day, bro. Fuck wrong with you? Who you think you is? I don't give a fuck. You can't wait for transportation that long, bitch. You transport me yourself, nigga. You not even on duty, bitch ass nigga. You pulled up in the yours. Nigga be thinking they so He-Man on this bitch, man. Your ass a hoe. Police ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Talking about that's what a green ticket for. Your ass a bitch. In real life, niggas will smack shit out you, bitch. Nah, on my mama, it is good, pussy. What wrong with you? Talking about it sound good, nigga. It is, nigga. Where you from? Where it is? Where you from, bitch? This ain't right. You know, but you on this game. You want it, but
رازا ورازا.